Welcoming in for sale at Lloyd Land Rover in Carlisle this Range Rover Sport D300 Dynamic SE with an eye-catching Eiger Grey exterior complementing the black exterior pack. This Range Rover Sport also comes fitted with LED headlights as well as 23-inch gloss black alloy wheels, keyless entry and privacy glass. This Range Rover Sport also benefits from a full service history as well as 12 months warranty and roadside assistance. I'm just opening up the power tailgate now to show plenty of space for any luggage or shopping. Stepping inside the Range Rover Sport now, we're just going to take a look at the electric window controls, driver seat memory function, Meridian sound system and blind spot assist. Also coming fitted with electric front seats as well as a sliding panoramic roof. I'm now just showcasing the steering wheel as well as the steering wheel controls, which include adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, a heated steering wheel and voice control. And then coming up to the interactive driver's display. Heading down to the centre console now, we've got the gear shift paddle as well as the extremely responsive PY Diamond infotainment system. This infotainment system truly has so much to offer, and here I'm just going to go through some of its fantastic features, including the 3D surround camera, navigation, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and so much more. And finally, taking a look into the back of the Range Rover Sport now, showing ample space for up to 5 passengers. Also coming fitted with heated rear seats as well as Isofix and of course 2 rear cup holders. For any more information or a personalised video, please get in contact on 01228 599 000.